is a very special video because this is 3.0 and this one has a special one that is a mystery. So this is for Valentine's. I saw this at Target and it was so cool. So now this is a lunchbox. So now let's unbox it. So, okay, now let's do that. It's very sticky in the process. There. So this was, I was very excited. I had to trade something in. So, I had to trade one in to get this. And I was so excited to unbox it. So, I was planning to do it after the football game. Yes. So, yeah. Can you open it? Let's see if, okay, good. So, let's just get this. So now I figured out that it's supposed to be like this. So, oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. Oh. Please, kids. Go. Now, let's open this. Whoa, this is so big. Also, I had one of these and I really want to get the light ups. So, I'll show you. And I'll see which Num Nom we have, using wrong grammar. And this is the light up side. This is just the regular side for it. So now, let's start opening it. So excited. We're going to do that one last. It's going to be very, very rude. So this, I'm going to see what it smells like. It does smell great. Also in the box. So this one is, so I got the one. So this is a cherry one. And it smells so good. Now let's get this one out. I see that this is like a berry, a raspberry. That smells really good. Oh, this is hard. That smells so good. It's just so sweet. It's so funny. And it's so sweet. Now, wait. This is banana. And this is... Oh, that's hard. So we have... It's like maple syrup or... Oh, it's grapes. So, or it's a berry. I love berries, and this smells so sweet as like a cherry, like that. Okay, now the corn. So now I'm just gonna open it. Oh, this smells good. I thought it was gonna smell a little like more popcorny or like corn smells. And these are like the scratch, and they do smell. Or maybe it's just my smelling. So this is what it looks like. Now, let's do this grape one. That smells soapy. It does smell like the last one that we did. So, it does look very cute. So, I like it. So, now let's get this orange one. Whoa! What the? Oh my gosh! What is this? This is very hard. What is this? Oh, it's a backpack. I think you could put a Num Nom in here. And it does smell good. It's like a Num Nom backpack. Because it is. Wow, I've never got it back. This one, Oh my gosh, this one smells so minty. It smells like the best mint ever. So this is what it looks like. It is very cute. I like the logo. Now, let's do... Oh, that's hard. So now let's try, it's a maple syrup. See right there? I love the smell. It's the best smell ever. You should, I think there's a lotion. Oh my gosh. This is very hard. Oh, this is erasers. Because it says right here, erasers, and then I think that's Spanish. Wow, I'm going to use that. They do smell. Ooh, wait. A second. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. You just flap them together. That's a very cute eraser. Now, oh, ow. Oh. It's fuzzy. I see. It's fuzzy. This is a Stamp It, and this is a Lunchbox, if I told you. But I have so many Num Noms, so I really need this. This is very fuzzy. It's just Num. And it's a peach Stamp It. See? It's a Stamp It. It's a yellow. And I don't have it because I don't have a paper. But now, the final one. I am so excited. Oh, that's hard. Now let's open it. Wow. That smells good. What is gonna be? Gotta get some scissors. What is gonna be? Is it gonna be the Num Nom that I got or unboxed? Oh, wait! That's so cute! It's pumpkin! Let's see what it is. Is it a special edition? Oh yeah, this peach Stamp It is a special edition. So let's see right now. So, where is it? Where is it? Oh, I think it's that one. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But it just has this orange. And let's see if we could fit one of the Num Noms in here, or at least. So let's see if we could fit this in here. If it does work. Nope, it doesn't. So I'm glad you enjoyed this video. If you did, now I'll say goodbye. Bye.